Hi friends, welcome to Learning Spark. In this video, we are going to build basic concept of fraction for class 3 in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, how many circles can you see now on the screen? You can see nothing, right? Nothing is represented by 0 in mathematics. So you say there is 0 circle. Okay, let's try again. How many circle can you see now? You can see one circle, one full circle, right? So this will be represented by 1 in mathematics. Now let's try again. In this case, how many circle can you see? You can see something. It's not 0, of course, but it is not a full circle also. So it is not 1. So this is something which is more than 0. Something exists, but it is not 1. It is less than 1. Something is not there. So something in between 0 and 1, right? In mathematics, this kind of numbers are represented by fraction. Okay. So let's understand how the fraction is calculated and how it is written. So how do you write a fraction? Let's take this figure, okay, and we will convert it into a fraction. The first thing is, the first rule is you divide the full figure into equal parts. So this is a figure. The actual figure, the full figure is circle, okay. So the full figure is circle. You divide it into equal parts. So there are two lines. It divides into 4 parts. Now, how many total parts are there? 4 parts, right? Now take out one part and you get this shape. In this shape, only this particular piece is missing. The one piece is missing, rest of the 3 pieces are there, right? So you take one out and you get this shape. So how many parts are we talking about? If we talk about this shape, how many parts are we talking about? We are talking about 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces, okay? So total pieces are 4. And how many pieces we are talking about? We are talking about 3 pieces, okay? So now how do we write the fraction? The fraction has 2 parts. There's a one line you have to draw in the middle, and below the line there is a number which is called denominator, and above the line there is a number which is called numerator. What is the denominator? The denominator is the full figure. The full figure is divided by how many parts, right? And numerator is how many parts are we talking about here? Okay, so here we can see that the total figure is divided into 4 parts, right? So the denominator is 4, and how many parts have we taken, or have we talking about? We are talking about 1, 2, 3 parts out of that 4. So that we can put into the numerator. Okay, so the fraction becomes 3 by 4. Okay, we call it 3 by 4. That's the fraction that we get. Now let's understand it little more. Let's take another figure. Okay, so this is a figure which is a rectangle, but one piece is missing here. Okay, so let's convert this into fraction. Again, the rule is that you have to think about the whole figure. This is the whole figure, a rectangle. You divide into equal parts. So you draw 2 lines. You divide into 4 parts. Okay, so how many total parts are there? 4 parts. And how many parts are we taking to form this shape? We are taking 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. This part is not there. Only these 3 parts are there. Okay, so out of 4 parts, which is denominator, we are taking 3 parts, which sits into the numerator. Okay, and the fraction becomes 3 by 4. Now let's take another figure. Okay, now this figure we will convert into fraction. Okay, this is also not a full figure, right? This is also a a part figure. So this will be a fraction. Let's now convert it into fraction. Okay, this is a hexagon. Okay, if we draw the full figure, it will be a hexagon, and the hexagon can be divided into, by lines, it can be divided into 6 equal pieces. If we divide like this, then this one piece is missing from here. Okay, so out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, you are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Okay, the shaded area or or this particular figure is 5 pieces, 1 2 3 4 5. So the fraction then becomes 5 by 6. Total piece, by how many pieces we are talking about. Okay, so 5 by 6 is the fraction. Hi friends, if you like this video, please press on the like button and please do not forget to share it with your friends. For more such videos, press on the subscribe button of the channel and then press on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.